In honor of 1 year of Senior Savvy Cannabis, we're doing an epic giveaway. I'm Catherine Goldberg, and I'm thrilled to partner with 1906 to give you guys a chance to win the entire product line. I've talked extensively about how much I like 1906 for various reasons. I had the co-founder on the podcast almost a year ago, and we bonded about how he wanted to create a product for his mom. His mom was not willing to smoke, and he came up with this. So I'm going to tell you guys the rules to enter this giveaway, and then I'll tell you more about 1906 and the products. So first of all, this is not associated with YouTube in any way. What you need to do to enter, it's free. Go to my Substack and subscribe. I'm going to put a link to the blog in the comments. On the giveaway blog, I want you to leave a comment and tell me why you want to try 1906. I'm actually going to be picking 3 winners because we're giving away 3 products. We've got the entire discovery kit: Love, Bliss, Genius, Chill, Sleep, and the Boost. The Boost is the one I want. We're also giving you guys a chance to try Pain AM and Pain PM, and they're off-duty drops, which are just little unflavored drops that can go into any beverage. So what I want you to do is go to my Substack and tell me which product you want and why. On this Substack, I'm also going to list the ingredients in all the products because I want to make sure it's safe for you to take. What 1906 did that I thought was very interesting is that they said cannabis is great, but cannabis plus other plants could be even better. So they added other plants to their formulas. There's caffeine, there's botswalla, there's theobromine. There are a lot of other natural plants that combined with the cannabis have a pretty profound effect. So make sure that all those other adaptogens are safe for you to take first. The giveaway is going to run from this Friday, the 19th, for 1 week until the 26th. I will announce 3 winners, both on my Substack and on the YouTube channel. And I'm just thrilled for you guys to try this because, as we've talked about, I care about effects-based cannabis. I want to feel energized. I want to clean the house. I want to work out. When you're inhaling cannabis, terpenes modulate those effects. But when you're eating it, it's different. So combining the cannabis with caffeine, for example, for the Genius, works really well. It's simple. I recommend 1906 to many of my clients through Savvy Relief who do not live in states where they have dispensaries, and they just love it. They love it. This, you take a pill in the morning and then you don't have to worry about your pain as much. So I'm thrilled to partner with 1906. I hope you'll go back and watch my interview with Peter because I learned a lot. I thought it was really interesting. And in the future, we'll do more of these giveaways, and I'm excited for you to be here. Bye.